My name is Sagar Kheda, and I am from Software Engineering Department, Global Force, and my roll number is 2410994874. And now I am explaining my task 2.1p. And here are my codes, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and a env file and bitmap file. So starting from start, we will discuss about our HTML file in which this is the line which will tells the browser we are using HTML and ensures the page is interpreted correctly. And then after that, we are going to this HTML language English, which tags and wrap all the content language species that the page is in English. Then starting the header section, then going to the meta chart set UTF-8. It sets the character according to UTF-8, so all the letters, emojis, and everything we will discuss, we will write, will display correctly. And then we are going to give our title as Dave, the developer at the rate taken, as now you can see here. After that, we have given the link of our CSS file, so it can relate to our HTML and all gives all the content. And our CSS file is in a public folder. You can see here the CSS file. Then after that, header is completed. Now the body has started, and all the content under the body section will appear in our website. So we have started. We have made a class named as container and given a header, like heading one, will sign up for our daily insider. Here it is written. From action, subscribe, and method post. This is the main command which is different from the previous task which we have done. Here, action and subscribe does that is gonna tell the browser where to send the form data on the server. In this case, it will go to the subscribe URL, and the method we are using as post means the data is sent securely in the request body, not in the URL. After that, we have make a input type email, and this is the thing. It will ensure that the text that the user will enter should be in a proper format of email. And after that, we have created a button type named as submit, subscribe button, and the HTML tag has been completed. This is our HTML file, this button, and your email. Now we are going to discuss CSS file styles. This is the file which we have made. Let me show you. CSS is mainly used to develop or style the whole page. We have set the font family to Arial to all the things which will be written in that way. And the background has been chosen to for a two color, blue and pink. And all the and display has been used for a flex box. Justifying at all the things should be in the enter, like this is the box, sign for a daily brand user box. After that, we have in HTML5, we have created a container class. So we have given the things here, like just like background, padding, border radius, border shadow, text line, transition. As we have given the hover effect to our container, like you can see here. And it is very smooth because we have given 1.0, 2.2 each and 1.28 scale. And input type email width, we have given the button, we have padding, background color, colors, and transitions, and button hover as well as that when we came to when we take our cursor to the subscribe button, it will get little bit dark. So here are my HTML and CSS file. Now we are going to discuss our main file server.js. Starting this our server.js file with require.net confused as we will load the environment variables from a env file using this
env. This will keep the sensitive data like our API key and email to be secure and get rid out of our main code. And here are my API and email. Coming back to the server.js, these are the libraries or modules which we have required in our site. Firstly, we have this constant express require, as it will create a server where it will run instead of using HTTP module of HTML. Then we have used constant body pressure require, as it will help us to read the data which has been given by the user. For instance, the mail, as the data is very as the data is very tidy and cannot be read by the browser in simple, so we use it. Then we have used constant path, as it will handle all the file paths safely. Then using constant sgmail require, as it will let us send the emails from the send grid. After that, we have used these two constant app. Here we create an express app instance and set the port. We will first check if a port is defined in the environment or not. Otherwise, it will use a 3000 or less 3000 port, local port. Then after that, we have this API mail process. Now we set the SendGrid API key from the environment variable. This key authorizes our app to send emails securely without hard coding the code. Then we have the next line. This this middleware, we have used the inbuilt function which helps the read the data from form. When someone submit their email, body praiser as above we have used here will convert it into a object we can use. And here extended true, which will allows handling more complex data if needed. Then the other line is app middleware, again we have used. This line serves the static files like CSS and images or client side JavaScript from the public folder, as here is the public folder, all the things are here. It ensures the browser can access this file properly. After that, we have used this root handles the home page. When a user visits, we send the index.html file from the view folder, so the browser knows what to display and when to display. These are the things. Then after that, uh, this is we have written this root handles from submission. When someone submit their email, this function run. We use a sync, as well as we have used here a sync, as because sending emails, as when we send emails, it will take a little bit time and we don't want the server to be freeze. After that, we have created a try catch block, and there we have given the email details, like to reception mail from verified sender email, and subject welcome to Daybreaking email subject. And then HTML, when the person will enter their mail, it will show there, as I will show. And after that, we have used a wait. Now we send the email using the send grid. We use a wait function to wait until it's done before moving on, so we can give a proper feedback to the user. After sending, we will check if the user typed an email. If yes, we show a success message. If not, we'll tell them to provide an email, a verified email, correct email, as we can say. And there is also we have given a backlink so they can try again easily. After here, we have given a catch error block. If something in our code, if something on the website goes wrong, we catch the error and show a friendly message to the user saying the email is failed, please try again later. And here we will end. And after that, we will start the server. Finally, we start the server on our port we set earlier. Once it is running, we'll log a message our app can serve the home page. And now I will show you the working of it. Like we will enter here my mail. As we have entered our mail, subscribe. Now here is written email sent to credasaga21@gmail.com, and we have earlier we have said I have a backlink. So here, and now we can see if we refresh our page, as here we can see the email has been came. Now the send grid is also have been updated. Like will update. It will just take a minute because of internet access. And now here is 21, and earlier it was 20. So this is was my whole task which I have made using a lot of things and have learned.